Totem Krumewo, when I come qua, Abra boy, Mechi, my Bayetini. Totem Krumako, Akyire Basaa, Abra boy, Mechi, my Bayetini. Totem Krumako, Akyire Basaa is a tribute song to Osadefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Charlie, Kwame Nkrumah has been one of the greatest guys in the history of Ghana, as far as independence is concerned. You look around and you realize most of Nkrumah's achievements, the things that he achieved, the things that he did, are still in use, are still being used today. There hasn't been much that has been added to Nkrumah's achievement. We are not happy about what is going on. All the things that were left behind, we are not seeing what is happening on it. Charlie, right now there's division, there's politics. We say we. If this person makes a good decision, this person will say it is not good, then they will change. If this one starts a project and then the project doesn't get finished, we the next person will continue or finish the project because when they see when they start here, there's so much division amongst ourselves. Still the place get flooded when it rains. So you look around and you realize the ideologies of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah are still used. We are still using all these things that Nkrumah did, and so this song seeks to celebrate Nkrumah, to put him on the pedestal and let people know the good things that he did, and such a good example that he has been to this country for people, for kids to follow.